I show you how to make a poster of your trebuchet. My old video got really messed up, so I'm doing this during class, so it might not be the best ever. So new drawing, change the sheet size to I do not come over here. You are going to be in big trouble because I'm not going to redo this a bunch of times. All right, so change it to sheet size B, then delete off the border. Then you want to go to base and find everybody's trying to mess with me right now. Find your assembly. You probably saved it on your H drive, so you would want to go into your H drive to find this. This student's one came up automatically because I've already loaded it. Get a good ISO of it. Oh boy, those are terrible. Okay, what are we doing here? I don't know. Play around with it till you get something good. This looks terrible. That's it. I might do a custom view. All right. Oh no, that came up good there. All right, the scale you want to be, I think 1/2. Yep, 1/2 looks good. Okay, make sure this is checked for color. Now they're putting stuff in my hair. All right, leave me alone, guys. This video is going to be terrible. All right, and then now what you want to do is go to Manage, Insert, Object, Create New from File. So what you need to do first, though, is take a picture with your iPad or phone, send it to yourself, open it, and save it on the computer somewhere. Wherever you saved it, like your desktop, go and find that picture, click on it, hit Open, OK. It brings the picture in. If the picture is sideways, that's OK. I know about this situation. I don't know how to fix it, so I will not take points off. Just do what you got to do. All right, move that over here. Now, you want to make this look a lot prettier than what I'm going to do here. And then you want to put your graph in here. So you're going to use the snip tool. I already did that. So you can type in snip to open up the snip tool. So you want to open up your Excel table, hit Control on the scroll wheel to get as close as possible to it so you get high resolution. Type in snip to get the snip tool. New. Select the graph. OK. Do a file save as. Save it somewhere. I just save it to my desktop. Blah, 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 blah. Save it. All right, now I'm going to go back in, and it should be saved where I can do a Manage, Insert Object, Create from File, Browse. Find wherever you put it. I put it on the desktop, so that's where it is. Okay. And shrink that down so it'll fit on here. So it's your job to get this stuff to fit on here. You can grab the corners to shrink stuff to fit. And then the last thing I want is your names on here so I can remember you guys. Annotate text. Click. Come on. Come on, computer. Click, put your names. You can change the size. You can change the color. You can do whatever you want. Boom. There you go.